All of our food vendors, for the most part, make their product in Utah or Salt Lake specifically because I found it's a great place that supports local and they want to be here. My name's Natalie McHale and I'm the Market Director of the Sugar House Farmers Market. The market takes place July through September every Wednesday evening from 5 to 8 p.m. at Fairmont Park. Since we are a 3-hour evening market located on a Wednesday, we really focus on urban farmers, which allows our customers to know that our food has the shortest food mile as possible. We also have awesome sponsors like Intermountain LDS, who is doing kids activity every week. So you can visit their booth and kids will actually get a token to go spend with one of our farmers. And with that token, they do an educational activity. Every week it's different. It's either healthy eating or how to shop local, things like that. Natural Grocers will also be doing 4 market tours this year. And their nutritionists will be coming down and spend 30 minutes at the market covering different topics. The first one is how to show up to the market without a grocery list and put together a recipe seasonally. Come check us out down at the Sugar House Farmers Market every Wednesday evening. It's great for kids, it's great for families. We have a playground. Today, Roja Brewing will be having a walk-in shop beer garden. So you can actually sip a beer and shop the entire market. And we always have great live music and we'd love to see you here.